What is a keyword? What is a keyword phrase? What is a long tail keyword? And how can you find them? What is YouTube autocomplete? That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. I'll also show you a snapshot of vidIQ, the ultimate tool to help you rate the keywords that you're looking for. Hey, this is Molly and welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Before we get started, hit subscribe and the bell to get notified. Hey, tell me in the comments below, have you ever created content without doing proper research? Let's dive in. In my previous research in Google Trends, I found out that vegan is a hot topic, so I'm gonna keep on researching vegan here on YouTube. And with this plugin of vidIQ, you get such awesome information. I'm not gonna walk through all of it, but you can see the top creator is Morgan Adams with this search term. And you can see that this search term has a score of medium. This is very interesting. I'm a total geek when it comes to this. I can spend hours looking at volumes and competition. And in this case, you see that the volume is high, search volume is high, and the competition is high, which gives a medium rating to just vegan. Vegan is a keyword, but it's not very specific. So let's find a keyword phrase instead. You see the most common searched phrases right here in the drop down after vegan and space. So vegan recipes is the next one. You have Cheap Lazy Vegan being the top creator here. I really love that creator name. This keyword phrase has a score of 54 in vidIQ. The search volume is high and the competition is also high, which means you get a high score. These are the top channels: Cheap, Lazy Vegan, Tasty and Goodful. These are the top channels for this search term, and you can really visit them and get inspiration. All right, so what you can do now is just figure out stuff that you want to look for. Maybe you want to go into sweets, and let's type brownie. It gets a medium score again. The volume is fairly high, the competition is low, but it's not that awesome. It's still medium and orange. What you can do now is just walk through the alphabet. So after vegan and space, just print an A and see what you can find. Apple pie, for example. Ooh, that has a green score. It's high, it's 63, because the competition is low. So if you want to create a video about vegan apple pie, that could be a really good idea. What else on A? I think I saw something like American pancakes. Yeah, there it is. Let's see if that is a hot topic and with low competition. Oh no, it isn't. Look, 17, the competition is high and the search volume is low. That's fairly surprising. All right, so don't make a video. I wouldn't make a video on American pancakes in this case. B instead, in the alphabet, you have brownies. We tried that already. What about something else? Banana bread. That looks interesting. Let's go for that one. Oh, whoa, this has a vidIQ score of 64. That's the highest so far, right? The competition is low and the volume is fairly high. Maybe you can make a video about vegan banana bread cooking. And let's keep going. C. There's a lot of nice things starting with a C. Yeah, cheesecake is good. Let's look at that one. These recipes look really good, by the way. The Cooking Foodie is the top creator. The score is 62. You have some other top channels here. Then we have chocolate chip cookie and carrot cake. Let's check those out as well. Still looking for that really hot topic. Whenever you use around 3 or 4 words, it's a long tail keyword, and they're harder to get high score. So chocolate chip cookies are really good with 61. Carrot cake, 3 words, that's, you know, somewhere between a phrase and a long tail keyword, but it has a really, really good score. Look at this, it's 65. So we might want to go for this one actually and create our video with vegan carrot cake as the keyword phrase. We would then include it, of course, in the title and the description. Look how many views Deliciously Ella has on her carrot cake. That's great. And the Hot for Food has a lot of views as well, but that video is older, it's 4 years old. So a couple of those things you want to take into consideration as well. But for now, just go with the vidIQ score and create something with that keyword. Now I'm going to check out the top creator for this keyword, which is Happy Pear, and see if I can get some inspiration on their channel. It looks like they're doing pasta sauce in this introduction video. Here are the sweets as well. And it also looks like they're doing all kinds of food, like burgers, for example. Let's go back. I've seen another creator name pop up in several cases here, and that's Liv B. Let's check out her channel. She has 645,000 subscribers, a lot of videos there, and it's simple cooking, vegan cooking. So let's check her out. I love the way she presents her channel with a banner on top, and also the link to her cookbook. She says she has new videos every week. It looks really, really nice. So let's look further into what she is presenting on her channel. She has box recipes. That's one of her playlists. She has other uploads. She has a back to school playlist. She has a lot of easy, those are, there we go, there are the sweet treats and holiday recipes. So you can find lots of inspiration from other channels, and you can even use her channel name as a tag, as a keyword in your video, which would drive her traffic and hopefully also yourself. So that's it. You now have an idea of what a keyword is, a long tail keyword, a keyword phrase. You know how to use the YouTube autocomplete function and vidIQ to support your keyword research. This is key for your success online. Remember to watch my other videos about Google Trends, market, niche, and keyword research. You'll find them somewhere around here. Hit subscribe and the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.